Hi there. Are you worried about home maintenance and upkeep once you buy? Here's an option that you may not know about. If you get a newly built home, many builders have warranties that cover plumbing, electrical, HVAC systems for a set period of time. The stuff's new anyways, since it's new construction, so it's probably going to be in pretty good shape. But if something does pop up, the builder's warranty may cover it for you. But home warranties aren't just for new builds. With existing home sales, which I specialize in, we can see if the seller is willing to add one to the sale agreement for you. Not all sellers will do it, but I can help negotiate to try to make it happen. If we find that I've already negotiated the seller down at their lowest possible price, you can always choose to purchase one for yourself. They range from $450 to $1,000 depending on what all you want covered. And hey, even if you've been in the home for say 10 or more years, you can purchase it for yourself. The key here is that the item has to be in working condition when you purchase the policy. So if you purchase a policy after your furnace goes out and try to file a claim on it, I think that's actually technically insurance fraud. And while I don't look at an orange, so you're on your own. Anyway, sorry I digressed. Let me know if you want to purchase a home warranty for yourself or even just look at the brochures. I don't get paid for them. This video is not being sponsored, but I do have all of the brochures for the various home warranty companies and the information, and I'm happy to send them to you. You can just type home warranty in the comments below and DM me your email address, and I'll get those sent out to you. Have a great day.